Hello guys, today I will quickly show you basic navigation on desktop, specifically on Windows 10 Pro. This is your home page that will be displayed on your screen once you've logged in. Though your wallpaper or your screensaver might be different from mine due to the settings on your system. At the bottom of your screen, you have taskbar, which also have some of your programs pinned to the taskbar. You can pin any app by right clicking its icon and selecting pin to taskbar. You can also unpin the app. Let me try to unpin this by right clicking this. You can see that it's removed from the taskbar. Let me try to pin it back. You can see pin to taskbar. The purpose of pinning apps or program to taskbar is for your quick access. These are the apps that you frequently use on your system. So let's go to the far left button of your screen. You have Windows logo, which is Start button. Once you click on it, it will open the Start menu. Start menu is the gateway to all your apps, settings, documents, programs, and folders. Here is a search bar where you can type anything you are looking for on the system and it will be displayed. You can even search the web once you are connected to the internet. This is super useful. Let me try and search for something on my system. Let me type Microsoft Word. Okay, Microsoft Word. You can see that it displays this Microsoft Word document. Assuming I've worked on some Microsoft Word documents, those documents will be listed here. You can also explore all apps to see what is pre-installed in each of the apps. Let's try to click on settings. This is pictures. If you are looking for pictures, this is where you can find your pictures. If you are looking for any document, you can also click on document to search for a document. Let me click on document. You can see I don't have any document, it's empty. You can also minimize the folder. You can as well drag the folder around. You can see you can create a new folder inside this document. This is a new folder. Inside the new folder, you can also create another folder. This is the folder. By right clicking on the folder, you can delete the folder from the system. You can go back and also delete the folder. Let's go to settings. On settings, we have system menu where you have all your display settings, sound settings, notification settings, and power settings. On device settings, where this is where you can add a printer, you can add a device to the system or mouse, any hardware, plug and play devices. This is where you can also manage the devices. This is where you can manage your mobile devices. This network and internet settings, this is where you can set your internet network. You can personalize your background, your display screen, your wallpaper. This is where you can see all apps installed on the system and features. System tree is far right icon that shows things like Wi-Fi, battery icon. This is speakers, volume icon, and notification. Notification is here. You can also click this icon to see more out. This is the file explorer. This is where you can manage your files and folder. If you want to connect your system to any internet, this is the Wi-Fi and internet communication icon. that gives you the list of networks that are available on your system. Once you click on any network, then you are connected. This is Microsoft Edge web browser. You click on it to get access to internet. You can as well download or uninstall a Chrome or a Firefox Mozilla. In the next video, I will show you more different things you can do on your Windows. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to receive a notification once the video drops. Thank you for watching. Bye.